From the world of John Wick, Ballerina has been released and I love this movie. To be honest, I watched the movie and it is very good. I'm gonna spoiler free review it, so let's start it. Where I'm first going to talk about the performance of Ana de Armas as Ballerina as Eve, which is very quiet performing and I love it, to be honest. She pulled off her character very great, and also if we talk about its action movie, just like other John Wick movies, the performance of Ana de Armas was very quite good. Probably 80% stunts of the movie, 80 to 90% were performed by Ana de Armas own. I'm gladly happy for that. And just like Keanu Reeves, he did his movie actions on his own, and Ana de Armas pull off her scenes just like that, which is very good. And as always, Ana de Armas acting was quite good. We watch her in many movies and I just love her acting, and again she proves her acting very good. And on the other side, the story of movie was a typical style of movie, just like other John Wick franchises. We see a simple straight line of movies story, and our character John Wick plays throughout the movie with the help of action. And just like that, Ballerina worked exactly same. We have a simple story which we saw in trailers or synopsis. I'm not going to spoil your story, you can go and watch, and which is very straight as line story. The visuals of the movie was quite good. The cinematography was okay, not big, and they throughout carry the tune of blue color just like we saw in the trailers. Ana de Armas was mostly seen in the shades of blue, which is quite good. Okay, I like this. And they also tried to pull off the music from John Wick franchise, which is iconically, and they tried to mold it with the gesture of Ana de Armas, which is a lady assassin. They tried to meld it with the world of Ballerina, which I quite like it. To be honest, whenever it plays, I loved it. And also, we talk about John Wick music, then talk about the cameo of John Wick, which is okay. He came for a task. We watch it in trailers, and it is okay. I'm not gonna say it is very big. It is a small part by Keanu Reeves' character John Wick, and it's quite okay. And we can also see the world building, which is quite good. We are already seeing the 4 chapters of John Wick, and the Ballerina was a type of continuation of John Wick universe, and that movie was set between John Wick chapter 3 and chapter 4. Tell us where was John Wick when he was excommunicado and Winston shot him. He fell off the New York Continental building, and the 4th part we saw him, he was with King and directly goes to kill everybody. So yes, what he did in between that time period we saw in the movie. To be honest, I would like to now talk about movies flaws. Where did I thought the movie was flawed, which is not in the movie, it is in the trailers. To be honest, when we watch a trailer, I only watched a single trailer of the movie, not any other promotion material, nothing else I watched about Ballerina, because I wanted to watch it directly in theaters. And when I watched the movie, the most part of the movie was already seen in the trailer, which I thought it was very bad thing to create that kind of trailer. I mean, if you don't show Baba Yaga in trailers, then when we watch it in the movie, it will be our shocking experience. Oh, John Wick is here, and many more. Just like there is a fire sequence in trailers, and where Ballerina fights with fire, and then water comes out, and lots of things. These kind of things were very good and massy things where people will shout. I want to shout on that scene because already we've seen these things in the trailers. The hype of these actions were meltdown, which is very bad for me. If they make the trailer a bit better, then obviously the movie will be much more shocking, much more experienced, and much more good. The story was simple and the action was very high, and I like it. Ana de Armas pull off her character very great. So yes, this is my whole review. I will create another video where I will talk about the ending of Ballerina and how will it continues with the universe of John Wick. So if you want to watch that, subscribe my channel, and if you like my video review, then please hit the like button, comments in the comment section, and share with your friends. I will meet you in another video with another topic. So till then, goodbye.